Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to this physics class. Dear students, in the last we have discussed about what? In the third chapter, that is motion in a straight line. In that chapter, in that motion in a straight line, and also we discuss about the introduction part. That is a motion in a straight line and some dimensional motions. One dimensional motion, two dimensional motion, three dimensional motions. And after that what? We also discuss about the path length, position and displacement. Length ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Next displacement ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Okay? So now the continue part about this lesson, that is average velocity and average speed. What? Average velocity and average speed. Before going to that, so now in this class we have discussed only about average velocity. So average velocity na ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಂಚೆ so first ನಾವು velocity ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So dear students, we already familiar about the meaning of velocity. So in the previous 8th standard and also in the 9th 10th standard, the velocity is comes in your previous class. So what it indicates? Velocity na ನೀವು daily life ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ. So ನೀವು when you move through a bike and when you moving in a bus, when you moving in a car, so etc. some vehicles, you experience some velocity. So affected of a velocity in your body and moving through a body. So somewhere you also seeing in a some circle, some surrounding. So many objects are moving. Some objects are go through a high velocity, some slow velocity, some constant velocity. These are. So now, what is the mean about velocity? So let us discuss. The first one is the velocity. So ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವೇಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. What? ವೇಗ. So now the velocity is nothing but what? Velocity is the velocity of a body is defined as the rate of displacement. What? Rate of displacement to the time taken. Rate of displacement of a body to the time taken means time interval is known as the velocity. So I will write here rate of displacement. Rate of displacement to time taken of a body. Or we will say simply the displacement per unit time. Displacement per unit time is nothing but velocity of the body. So simply we have to write a formula like velocity is nothing but displacement covered by a body to the time taken in time interval ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So this is already known. So now in that velocity, is this velocity have some dimensional formula, some SI and some quantity. This velocity is a vector physical quantity. It is a vector, not scalar. This is a vector physical quantity. Vector quantity. Right, and the SI unit of System International, the SI unit of velocity is what? Meter per second. You already, this is known. What? The SI unit of velocity is a SI unit is meter per second. Right? This is also you know. Meter per second, how will come? The displacement is a meter. Displacement is a the displacement, SI unit of displacement is a meter. and the time taken. That is the estimate of time is a second. So now meter per second. How means the SI unit ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯುವ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So now the dimensional formula. So the dimensional formula of velocity is m to the power 0. M mass does not depend. 0 L power 1 t to the power minus 1. This is a dimensional formula. I already told in the second chapter how to write a dimensional formula. Okay, m is L t to the power minus 1. So this is a brief introduction about velocity. So now we have to come and go to the average velocity. So that is a what? We have taken average velocity. So average means what? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಾಸರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. So average ಮಾಡೋದು. So in your all subject, when you completed an exam, you got some marks. Okay, I take one example. You got all subject marks. 6 total subject of 6 subjects. You got some marks. Out of 600, you got 400 or 500. Total next we have you all calculate average. Okay, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸರಾಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. So 500 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ divided by 6 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. So ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು average ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So per subject ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು average ತೆಗೆದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. So ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ so velocity average velocity ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So what it indicates? Average velocity of the body is defined as it is the ratio of displacement. It is the ratio of a displacement per displacement with time interval, with the time taken by the displacement of a body. So now average velocity ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಅ ಬಾಡಿ ಪರ್ total time taken by the body. ಹಿಂಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So that is a ratio of a displacement of the body to the time taken by the of course displacement of the body. So for example, so now I am going to tell about the average velocity. So dear students, if one object at a position x1, one object ಇದೆ ಅದು x1 position ಇದೆ and time taken t1. If a body x1 at a time taken t1 and another similarly same as another body of position x2 at a time taken t2. So what is the total average velocity in this process? So that is the average velocity delta v equal to x2 minus x1 divided by what? t2 minus t1. So this is how do we write average velocity. So now we have the definition formula of average velocity, that is v average equal to x2 minus x1 t2 minus t1 in the sense what? Total displacement divided by total time taken by the body. This is we call it as an average velocity. Average, the ratio of displacement, total displacement with to the total time taken by the body. So this is we call it as average velocity. Got this? Clear? So now